So if I was starting over, no audience, no ads, no clients, and I had to make $9,500 in 30 days, starting from zero, here's exactly what I would do. Just two simple business models anyone can use, even as a beginner, to make real money online. The first model gives you cash flow fast. The second builds long-term income and freedom. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to pick and how to land your first paying clients in weeks, not months. So let's do a little reality check here. Most people try to make money online. They simply overcomplicate everything, right? They build websites, they post nonstop, they record courses, I'm sure you've been there, they blog, but they never make a clear, irresistible offer. Yes, I said it, the offer. But here's the truth. You don't need a massive audience or fancy ads. What you need is one clear offer, a specific offer for a specific person that solves a painful problem. And of course, the courage to stand behind that, the dedication to talk about it every single day. That's how I'd be rebuilt a $9,500 a month business fast. As promised, here are the two models that work, and I'm going to share it with you right now. If you're starting from zero, there are only these two models. Option A, or Model A, done for you. You do the work for clients. This is a traditional consultant coach business. Or B, you do it with them. You help them and you train them. That's it, the two models. Done with you, done for you. No affiliate gimmicks, no random side hustles, no YouTube AdSense, no brand deals. Just two proven paths used by every successful coach, consultant, expert, and freelancer that I know. And let's talk about option A, or Model A, done for you. Let's start with that. The fastest path to the cash, as I mentioned. So take a skill that you already know, running ads, editing videos, writing copy, or building funnels, and sell it as a service. Businesses will gladly pay you $2,000 to $5,000 and more per month for someone who can bring in leads and sales using these systems. And here's the best news. You only need 2 or 3 clients to hit the $9,500 a month. And why is it $9,500? It's because I did that. That's where I started. So your offer might sound like, I help specific niche get specific result in specific time using your system. Ours is, we help coaches, consultants 2x their sales using our 3-step closing system in 90 days guaranteed. And it's a strong guarantee. Now, here's the thing. You don't need a big following. You just need to talk to decision makers daily. You know, who are the people who write the checks? You can reach them. If you can deliver results, this model gives you speed, cash, and proof fast. So that's option A. Now option B, or Model B, is done with you. And if you prefer teaching and leading, this is your home turf. This is your lane here. Done with you means you coach or guide clients through your specific process. So an example here is an 8-week group program where you show people how to run ads, build offers, or how to attract clients. Let's think about fitness coaches. I have a video on that, by the way, on the channel. You might want to check that out. This might be the 8 weeks to 6-pack abs, or lose 20 pounds in the next 30 days without changing your diet. You could charge $1,000, $1,500, $2,500 per seat and enroll 4, 5, 6 people. You're easily at $9,500 plus. And it's highly leveraged. So you teach once, deliver to many, and scale without a big team. This is the traditional course material presentation, right? So you only need 3 things here: a clear framework, a simple sales process, simple is key here, and a consistent content process showing what works. And as always, a strong guarantee, what we call a no BS guarantee, money back if it doesn't work concepts, right? So when you teach transformation and not tactics, people will buy. And yes, they will pay well. We call this high ticket. Now, one of the biggest questions here I get is, well, hey, how do I find clients? Where do you find the people who will actually pay you, higher fees? Well, first things first, stop chasing everyone. Start focusing on those people who already invest in themselves. And this is really your perfect client. You need to speak to those. They value time over money. And you can find them in Facebook groups, LinkedIn posts, YouTube comments under your niche. You definitely want to reach out to your personal network, as uncomfortable as that may be. Referrals, of course, and Upwork. Upwork is a great place to find these people. And you want to engage, don't pitch. Leave value and ask smart questions. Say something like, hey, sounds like you're working on this particular problem. Well, it turns out I help people fix that. You want to see how I do it? And then jump on a call. 10 conversations a day, that's your new type pipeline. We talk about, outreach. Well, you got to keep it steady and you have to keep a specific number and go for it. So forget the funnel. Connection is the funnel. So reaching out and speaking to people and those that are in your perfect market. Now, another piece here is mindset and confidence. The real reason I feel beginners fail, and it's what I've seen, is not strategy, it's fear. And it's fear of rejection, definitely fear of raising prices if you're already working here, fear of being seen as a beginner, the fear of being seen as a fake. Well, you're not selling your time here, you're selling your result. The result is essentially what you can speak to. So if you can help somebody make $10,000, save 10 hours a week, or fix a big problem like restoring a failing marriage, that's not worth $300, that's worth thousands. So it's value exchange, that's the key here. And when you charge premium prices, you attract committed clients. So low prices, low commitment. High prices, serious players. Confidence doesn't come first, action does. So just take action, pitch daily, look for the no's, get rejected, refine, repeat. And in my early days here, a sales trainer said, Jan, look for the no's. And I'm like, what? Well, every no is a rep that builds your success muscle. I thought that was very interesting. Going for the no's, right? So what's your 30-day game plan look like? Well, here's what I would do if I had 30 days to rebuild, and that is simplify. So pick one model, done for you or done with you. Pick one problem. I help who get result. Yay without the boo. Step 3, build one irresistible offer. Robert Bly has a great book on this, by the way. There's several you can look on Amazon. Talk to 10 targeted people a day, and then document every result and every lesson. And expect down days, but that's okay. You just keep going, looking for the no's. Do that for 30 days straight, and you'll have cash, proof, and you'll have more confidence than ever before. So no need for a massive website do-over or logo changes. And if you have some dollars saved, run some Facebook ads too. I'll teach you those on this channel. Just clarity, courage, and consistency. That is essentially the keys to unlock the 9,500. And I'm using that as an example because that's what I did, as I mentioned. So you don't need to wait for permission. This is a huge deal. Just go for it. You don't need the logo, as I said, a course, or 10,000 followers. You need one skill, one offer, and one person who says yes, and you are on your way, my friend. And that's how I'd make $9,500 a month starting over. And it's how you can too. I have zero doubt about that. If you are a professional, this is all you need to do. And by the way, if you want the detailed roadmap, the one that I use with my own clients and that we use at the agency, comment the word 9,500 and I'll send it over to you personally. So, what's to do? Now go make it happen. Jan out.